In the evolving world of modern woodworking, few pieces embody both artistry and utility as eloquently as wooden wall-mounted shelves. More than just a practical solution to hold books, plants, or framed photos, these shelves have become a canvas for creativity, a statement of design, and a steady stream of income for many contemporary woodworkers. Behind every cut of timber and every installed bracket lies inspiration, the kind that's rooted in function, beauty, storytelling, and a timeless connection between the hands of the maker and the walls of a home. Welcome to Decor Ideas, your calm corner of design inspiration. Just clear and creative content focused on woodworking, decor, and functional beauty. We're here to inspire you. Each project is designed to inspire your next move, whether you're a seasoned craftsman or just starting out. Join us, subscribe, and make every space more you, with style, warmth, and a touch of wood. Today we will show you a collection of wooden wall-mounted shelves design ideas, focusing on both home decor appeal and profit potential in today's woodworking landscape. So, watch the video until the end to see this beautiful collection and get inspiration. For many woodworkers, the spark begins with a very basic truth. People always need storage, but more than ever, they also want it to be beautiful and personal. In today's world, where every square inch of living space is valued, especially in urban environments, wall-mounted shelves offer a clever way to blend practicality with style. They don't take up floor space, yet they elevate a room with warmth, texture, and personality. This delicate balance of form and function is what first draws artisans to the idea. There is also a quiet power in creating something that literally supports the weight of a household's everyday life. A shelf isn't just wood screwed into a wall. It's a stage for memories. It's where we place our most precious items, a photo from a wedding, a collection of books we've lived through, or a jar filled with wishes. The woodworker who crafts that shelf is not merely building a product, they're crafting a small but powerful part of someone's home and story. That emotional connection to purpose is a significant motivator. For many woodworkers, especially those transitioning from hobbyist to professional, wall shelves offer an opportunity to create something meaningful and marketable in equal measure. The simplicity of the structure, flat surfaces, clean lines, minimal joinery, makes them accessible for beginners. Yet the room for creativity is endless. Whether it's a rustic reclaimed wood finish that tells of history, or a sleek geometric design that fits a modern loft, each piece can be customized, reimagined, and elevated through small artistic choices. It's this opportunity for design freedom that keeps woodworkers engaged. One day, it might be a live-edge cedar plank floating shelf with hidden brackets. The next, it could be a trio of hexagonal honeycomb units crafted from oak. With wooden wall shelves, there are no rules carved in stone. Only the rhythm of wood grain, the instinct of the craftsman, and the whisper of the space it's meant to fill. Each project invites a dialogue between imagination and intention. Dear viewers, are you enjoying today's content? We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. Beyond the artistry, however, there is also a very real and growing business incentive. Shelves are high-demand items in both physical and digital marketplaces. They're easy to ship, simple to customize, and their price point is accessible to a wide range of buyers. Unlike larger furniture that requires significant investment in materials, tools, and space, wooden wall shelves can be crafted with minimal resources, sometimes even from scrap or reclaimed wood. This means higher profit margins and faster turnaround, making them an ideal product for woodworkers looking to generate income while staying true to their craft. A few hours of work can yield a beautiful set of shelves ready to be sold on Etsy, featured at a local craft fair, or marketed through social media platforms like Instagram or Pinterest. Their visual appeal makes them incredibly shareable, and their functionality ensures they rarely sit unsold. Moreover, wall shelves tap into a broader cultural trend, the growing desire for sustainable and handmade products. More than ever, consumers are turning away from mass-produced furniture in favor of items made with intention and care. A wooden shelf, handcrafted and lovingly finished, offers that human touch that mass production simply cannot replicate. Each knot in the wood, each subtle variation in tone, is a reminder that the piece is alive with craftsmanship. This movement toward conscious design and sustainable consumption has given rise to a renaissance in small-scale woodworking. Within this, wooden shelves serve as an anchor, products that are both accessible and aspirational. Buyers love them because they're practical and stylish. Woodworkers love them because they're expressive and profitable. It's a rare overlap where commerce and creativity genuinely coexist. Yet inspiration doesn't always come from markets or trends. Often, it arises from a deeper place, a desire to leave something behind that matters. Wall-mounted shelves are not glamorous pieces, but they are lasting. When made well, they become permanent fixtures. They're installed, loved, and lived with for years. A woodworker knows this. With each shelf created, they are building not just a product, but a small legacy. That shelf may one day hold a child's first book, a couple's anniversary photo, or a plant that's tended with daily care. Knowing this gives meaning to the work far beyond dollars and sales. In a more personal sense, the process of creating a wooden wall shelf is often meditative. The measuring, cutting, sanding, and finishing, each stage is deliberate, calm, and rhythmic. In a world that feels increasingly fast and digital, woodworking offers a tactile, grounding experience. The process becomes a form of mindful making, where hands guide the heart and time slows just enough for something real to take shape. And so, the inspiration to create wall-mounted wooden shelves isn't born from a single source. It's a convergence, a calling to combine usefulness with beauty, a chance to make something that lasts and connects, a way to earn income while staying rooted in purpose, a celebration of wood itself, its grain, its weight, its character, and of the human hands that shape it. For the modern woodworker, each shelf is more than a piece of decor. It's a quiet declaration that beauty can be simple, that profit can have soul, and that even the smallest piece of furniture can hold the largest stories. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked wooden wall-mounted shelves, focusing on both home decor appeal and profit potential in today's woodworking landscape. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.